Assalamu alaikum friends. Today we are going to conversate a very pretty doll. Now, can you please tell me what is your good name?
My name is Harim Fatima.
Very nice name, Harim. Now, can you please tell me what is your father name?
My father name is Muhammad Qasim.
Very good. Okay, can you please tell me what is your mother name?
My mother name is Nadia.
Very good, Harim. Now you have to tell me in which class do you read?
I read in play class.
Very good, very good. In which school do you read?
SSPA.
SSPA, that's very nice. Now you have to tell me which is your favorite color?
Black.
Black. Very good. You know, black is also my favorite color. Okay, ji. Now, Harim, you have to tell me where do you live?
I live in Mangat.
Mangat. Okay, ji. Harim lives in Mangat. Okay. Now, Harim, can you please tell me what do you want to become in future?
Doctor.
Doctor. Okay, ji. Our doll wants to become a doctor in future. Nice to meet you, Harim. Let's handshake. Very nice to meet you.